So 1 John 3:8, and in this letter, John is actually, he's trying to clear up a lot of issues with the church that's accepted a lot of false doctrine and Gnosticism. That's a whole lecture itself. But they were doing a lot of things that they shouldn't be doing, believing a lot of things that they shouldn't be doing, or that they shouldn't be believing. So that's what this letter is about. He starts in verse 8 of the 3rd chapter. The one who practices sin, separating himself from God, see there's the sin part again, confession, and offering him by acts of disobedience, indifference, or rebellion, is of the devil, and takes his inner character and moral values from him, not God. For the devil has sinned and violated God's law from the beginning. The one who practices sin, separating himself from God and offering him by acts of disobedience, indifference, or rebellion, is of the devil, and takes his inner character and moral values from him, not God. For the devil has sinned and violated God's law from the beginning. You can tell I'm doing this with the Amplified version.
Yeah, I was going to say, I can't.
It really expounds on a lot of things. And here's the part that we want to focus on today. The Son of God appeared for this purpose, to destroy the works of the devil. So he's talking to them about, about affirming that Christ is the Messiah and that man is just not evil, so therefore that's how it is, like in Gnosticism. And he's trying to get people to look at Christ's commandments and to be obedient to them. Imagine that. And to love your brothers and sisters. Those were some basic tenets of the letter. But he talks about this power, to destroy the works of the devil. The Son of God appeared for this purpose. That's why he came. Okay, then we look at Luke 6:19. And this is the Sermon on the Plateau. And most of you have heard the Sermon on the Mount. This is the Sermon on the Plateau. And as I'm reading it, I'm thinking, gosh, that sounds an awful lot like the Sermon on the Mount. And you'll see a lot of the same references in that. Some people say that he actually went to several places and gave this basically the same sermon. And so it's just going to be recorded slightly with different things, but a lot of the same things are in it. So this is Luke 6:19. And the people all tried to touch him because power was coming from him and healing them all. There was power that was coming from him. It was a physical power that was healing people, coming from the Messiah himself. In Luke 10:19, we see, I have given you authority to trample on snakes and scorpions and to overcome all the power of the enemy. Nothing will harm you. So Yeshua has this power. He's given it to his shalakim, his talmidim, his disciples and his apostles, and he's told them to go out. This is the power that we have today if we are in Christ. And so it's the authority of Christ in us. And I've mentioned this before many, many times, but it's through his Spirit that we have that same power to do these things. There are some people that believe that, that died out at the time of the apostles. It's like, no. Before he left, he made sure that the apostles knew what to do. He already taught the disciples. He's now teaching the apostles, the sent ones, so when he leaves, that can be carried on. And so we are living in that day and age when we are his hands and feet, and we are operating the power that he has given us. And that's the power to trample on any of the works of the devil, the curses of the devil, and sickness, and then ultimately, the works of the devil will be death itself, that we can overcome in everlasting life through the resurrection of Yeshua himself. So I think it's very powerful teaching on the power that we have as individuals. We think of ourselves as sometimes being powerless against things, and things are not turning out as we would like them to turn out, or happening as we think they should. But we can count on the power that God has given us to make things work out in his way. So, blessed be his word. Is that clear? That's the right way